How's it going, everyone? So on today's video, we're going to be talking about yet another stop sell Honda and Acura recall. This one affecting 750,000 vehicles, most of them being from year 2020 to 2022. But I will go over those vehicles and specifics in just a minute. So what's happening is during manufacturing process, some of the passenger seat weight sensors, these seat weight sensors are designed to detect the weight on that actual seat. So some of them may crack over time, causing them to short and not function properly. So in the event there is a child or an infant in some sort of a child seat there, it may not know that there's not enough weight there to actually deploy the airbag and deploy the airbag, both the front and or the knee airbag anyways, regardless of the weight that's actually on there. So obviously this is a big issue. So Honda and Acura are addressing it. Again, the seat weight sensor is there to detect the amount of weight on a seat. In the event there's not enough weight on there, it's not supposed to deploy the airbag, although it could in this instance, obviously raising some red flags. So obviously, this is an issue, and Honda and Acura want to address it properly, and they will be addressing it. So look out for some of these mailers coming in the mail, or when you go into the service department, they should be able to notify you if your vehicle is affected. But anyways, we're going to go over those vehicles right now that are actually affected. And just bear with me here a minute. It's a whole bunch of cars, so I'm going to go through them one by one. So 20 to 22 MDX, 20 to 21 TLX, 20 to 22 RDX, so 20 to 22 Accords, 20 to 21 Accord Hybrids, 20 to 21 Civic, it includes ESI models, 22 Civic, 21 Civic Type R, 20 to 21 CRV, 20 to 21 CRV Hybrid, 2020 Fit, 20 to 22 HRV, 21 Insight, 20 to 22 Odysseys, 20 to 21 Passport, 20 to 21 Pilot, and 20 to 21 Ridgeline. So at this time, we know the sensors are faulty. We're not sure if we're going to be just replacing the sensors themselves, or sometimes they're sold with a seat bottom frame. Sometimes it's the whole frame itself. I'm assuming here that it's just going to be the sensors at this time and require initialization, and you're good to go from there. So again, be on the lookout for some flyers. You could probably contact your local dealers, but I don't think parts will be available for a little bit of time here, or very limited supply. So don't bombard your dealer with all these questions and stuff. And when you do take your car in for service, your dealer should be notifying you that you do have this recall. And once again, you should be getting a mail-in flyer in your mail at the time that parts are readily available. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.